Ever felt lost in a sea of skincare products only to end up with something that doesn't work? Or worse, irritates your skin? The endless trial and error wastes time, money, and hope. But what if your skincare routine was designed just for you based on real science? Welcome to the beauty revolution of 2025, biometric skin scanning. This technology acts like a smart mirror, analyzing your skin's unique needs beneath the surface. No more generic solutions. Now, products are formulated for your biology, not the masses. The frustration of half-used bottles is ending. You'll finally know what your skin truly needs. The power is shifting to you, with knowledge and tools to make informed, effective choices. Welcome to the future of skincare, intelligent, personalized, and made for you. For years, skincare has been mass-produced, lumping us into broad categories like oily or dry. But your skin's needs are far more complex. What works for one person can fail for another. Generic products often miss the mark, leading to wasted money, irritation, and disappointment. This approach also creates massive waste. Think of all those discarded bottles and jars. Today's consumers want more transparency, real results, and solutions tailored to their unique biology. The demand for personalized care is driving innovation and forcing the industry to evolve. The future isn't about miracle jars for everyone. It's about honoring the science of your own skin. True beauty starts with understanding what makes you unique. So, how does biometric skin scanning work? Using advanced sensors and light, it captures detailed data invisible to the naked eye. Hydration, oil levels, pigmentation, texture, and more. The process is quick and non-invasive, like snapping a high-tech selfie. All this information forms your unique skin fingerprint, a scientific snapshot of your skin's real condition. This fingerprint goes far beyond oily or dry, revealing your skin's strengths and vulnerabilities. Regular scans track changes over time, letting you see exactly how your skin responds to your routine. It's a feedback loop. Data replaces guesswork, empowering you to make smarter choices. For the first time, you can truly understand your skin, no dermatologist required. Once your skin fingerprint is mapped, the real magic begins. Algorithms analyze your data and match it with ingredients proven to address your specific needs. The result? A custom formulated product, serum, moisturizer, or both, made just for you. Every ingredient is chosen for a reason, targeting your concerns with precision. This means faster, more visible results, and a routine that actually works. You can ditch the clutter and stick to a few powerful products, saving time, money, and reducing waste. Personalized skincare isn't just more effective, it's more sustainable. The future is simple, smart, and tailored to you. At first, custom skincare was a luxury, but now it's becoming accessible to everyone. Affordable at-home scanners and apps are making personalized routines the new standard. The next step, integrating data from your lifestyle, diet, and even genetics for a 360-degree approach to skin health. Imagine a system that not only recommends products, but also suggests nutrition and wellness tweaks for your best skin ever. Combining DNA insights with real-time scans means you can prevent future issues, not just treat what you see. This is true empowerment, knowledge and tools to take control of your skin's future. Explore brands offering these innovations, read the science, and get curious. The journey to healthy skin is now personal, mapped by your own data. Take charge and discover what your skin is truly capable of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more budget-friendly beauty essentials.